Hey, when it's really cold out, it's good to have a buddy you can lay eggs with. Isn't that right, ladies? So, this morning it's so chilly. We got one chicken laying one way and one the other, and they keep popping the eggs out. Now these chickens, these are called Leghorns around here, or Leghorns, some people say. But the word actually derives from Livorno, which is a place, it's a region in Italy. It's a place in Italy, a city, rather. So Livorno became Leghorn when it came to the United States, which in the South they call Leghorn. And boy, I say, boy, you are laying some eggs. Actually, it's girl, I say girl. They're great layers. All right, we'll let you all alone. Go lay some more eggs. We'll see you.